If every morning when you put your foot on the floor, you feel that sharp pain in your knees, if you have to hold on to something to get up from a chair, if going down the stairs has become a test of willpower, I want you to know something important. That is not simply age. That is your body telling you it lacks collagen. And the good news is that in Brazil, thousands of people over 50 found a simple, natural, and affordable way to prepare their own collagen at home with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you that exact recipe. And in addition, I'm going to give you 3 specific exercises that Brazilian physical therapists recommend to accompany this treatment and restore mobility to your knees and joints. Before we start, tell me in the comments, from which city or country are you watching me? And if you want more content like this, give me a like. That helps me tremendously to keep bringing you information that truly transforms lives. After age 35, the body begins to produce less collagen, but it's after 50 when the decline becomes very noticeable. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. It is literally the glue that holds together bones, cartilage, joints, tendons, and skin. When it becomes scarce, the consequences are immediate. Constant pain, stiffness upon waking, especially during the first steps, difficulty climbing stairs or getting up from a chair, more fragile bones and higher risk of fracture, skin that loses firmness. What almost no one tells you is that nutrition plays a fundamental role. You don't always need to spend money on expensive supplements. The recipe I'm going to share with you today comes from Brazil, where naturopathic doctors and nutritionists widely recommend it for people over 50 as a practical, affordable, and effective alternative. Are you already 50 or older? Write in the comments, "I'm already over 50. That way, I know I'm speaking directly to you, and I can continue creating content especially for your stage of life. Ingredients and benefits. This recipe has 3-star ingredients. Listen carefully because each one plays a specific role in your body. Ingredient 1, yam, also known as cata in Brazil. Yam is the star of this recipe. In Brazil, it is a daily food in many households, and its popularity among older adults is no coincidence. Yam is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the body to produce collagen naturally. It also contains calcium and magnesium, 2 key minerals for keeping bones strong and preventing osteoporosis. But there's more. Yam has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce joint pain, improves blood circulation, helps regulate cholesterol, benefits intestinal health thanks to its fiber, and contributes to brain health, improving memory and reducing stress. For this recipe, we will use half a cup of cooked yam. Ingredient 2, orange. The orange is not here just to add flavor. It is one of the richest foods in vitamin C, and vitamin C is essential for synthesizing collagen. Without vitamin C, the body simply cannot build collagen, even if it has all the other nutrients. In addition, orange contains potassium that protects the heart, antioxidants that fight cellular aging, and flavonoids that reduce inflammation in the joints. We will use 1 orange, peeled and seedless. Ingredient 3, unflavored gelatin. This is the most powerful ingredient in the recipe. Unflavored gelatin is pure collagen in the form of amino acids. When you consume it, your body uses it directly to repair cartilage, strengthen bones, lubricate joints, and improve skin elasticity. It has no sugar, no preservatives, it is affordable, and you can easily find it in any supermarket. We will use 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin. Other natural sources of collagen are bone broth, eggs, and oily fish, but unflavored gelatin is the most practical option for everyday use. Preparation. The preparation couldn't be simpler. This is how they make it in Brazil. Place in the blender half a cup of cooked yam, the peeled orange, and the tablespoon of unflavored gelatin. Add 200 milliliters of water. If you prefer, you can use coconut water to further enhance the benefits. Blend everything very well until it becomes completely smooth. That's it. Your homemade collagen is ready. When should you take it? You can take it in the morning with breakfast or as an afternoon snack. Ideally, consume it 2 to 3 times per week to start feeling its benefits. Remember that results are not immediate. Nature works with consistency, not speed. Give it at least 3 to 4 weeks of regular consumption to notice the difference. Exercises for knees and joints.
Now comes the part that very few videos show you, the exercises. Because collagen only does part of the job. Movement is the other fundamental pillar for restoring your knees. These 3 exercises are gentle, designed for people over 50, and physical therapists specifically recommend them to strengthen the knees and reduce pain. You don't need equipment, just a sturdy chair. Exercise 1. Seated knee extension. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps muscle, which is the muscle that most protects and stabilizes the knee. The stronger your quadriceps are, the less pressure the knee joint receives. How to do it? Sit in a chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Slowly extend one leg until it is almost straight in front of you. Hold that position for 5 seconds. Feel the tension in your thigh. Lower the leg slowly. Do not let it drop. Do 10 repetitions with each leg. Important. The movement should be slow and controlled. If you feel sharp pain, stop. Slight muscular discomfort is normal and expected. Recommended frequency, every day, preferably in the morning. Exercise 2. Wall-assisted squat. This exercise works the entire lower body, quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, and is much safer than a conventional squat because the wall provides support and control. Strengthening all the muscles surrounding the knee is key to reducing pressure on the joint and decreasing pain in the long term. How to do it? Stand with your back against the wall, feet shoulder width apart and slightly forward, about 30 to 40 centimeters from the wall. Rest your back against the wall. Slowly slide your back down by bending your knees as if you were going to sit in an invisible chair. Lower yourself only as far as is comfortable, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or a little higher if there is pain. Hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds. Then, slowly rise back up using the wall for support. Do between 8 and 12 repetitions. Key point: your knees should not go past your toes. If you feel them shaking, rise slightly higher. Recommended frequency: 3 times a week on alternating days. Exercise 3. Standing quadriceps stretch. After strengthening, you need to stretch. The quadriceps stretch is one of the best for relieving tension in the knees and improving flexibility throughout the entire leg. When muscles are stiff, constantly pulling on the joint, pain gets worse. Stretching regularly reduces that tension. How to do it? Stand near a wall or chair to support yourself if necessary. Bend one leg backward, bringing your heel toward your glute. With the hand on the same side, gently hold your ankle. Keep your knees together and your back straight. Do not lean forward. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe calmly. Switch legs. Do 3 repetitions on each side. If you cannot hold your ankle, you can use a strap, a towel, or simply rest your foot on a low chair behind you. Recommended frequency: every day, especially before going to bed or after finishing any physical activity. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. It's better to do 10 minutes every day than 1 hour once a week. Taking care of your body after 50 is an act of love toward yourself. Don't wait until the pain becomes unbearable to take action. This recipe that comes from Brazil, combined with these 3 exercises, can make a real difference in your quality of life. You don't need to spend money on expensive treatments. You just need consistency and willingness. If you have the ingredients at home and you're going to prepare this collagen this week, write in the comments, "I'm going to do it." And if you know someone, a family member, a friend, your partner, who constantly complains of knee or joint pain, share this video with them right now. It may be exactly what that person needs to hear today. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload the next video with more natural tips for your health. A big hug to everyone watching me. See you next time.